Mistplay isn't available worldwide, and the list of supported countries can change over time as the company expands or updates its service. By the end of this video, you'll know how country availability works, how to check whether Mistplay is officially supported where you live, and what to do if you can't install it. The fastest way to check availability is through the Google Play Store. If Mistplay appears as available for your account, your country is currently supported. If the app doesn't appear or shows that it isn't available in your region, your country may not be eligible at this time. Country availability affects more than installation. It also determines which games, promotions, and reward opportunities you can access. Two users with the same Android device can see completely different game libraries, simply because they're in different countries. That's why screenshots or videos from another user may not match what appears on your account. If you're looking for a complete country list, remember that it can change without notice. Instead of relying on an old blog post or YouTube video, check the current availability directly through the Play Store and Mistplay's official support resources. Those sources are more reliable than lists that may have been accurate months ago, but haven't been updated. If you've recently moved to another country, you may notice changes in the app after your Google Play country updates. Available games, reward offers, and promotions can all change based on your current region. If something disappears after a country change, that doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem with your account. Some users try downloading the app from unofficial sources when it's unavailable in their country. That's generally a bad idea. Even if you install the app, you may not have access to supported offers or reward redemption if your region isn't eligible. Using the official Google Play version also helps ensure you receive updates, security fixes, and the latest features. If you're unsure whether your region is supported, don't guess based on someone else's experience. Open the Play Store, search for Mistplay, review the app's availability, and check the latest information from the developer. That takes only a minute and gives you the most accurate answer for your account. The key takeaway is simple. Mistplay's country availability depends on your region, and supported countries can change over time. Always verify availability through the Google Play Store. Expect game offers to vary by location, and avoid unofficial downloads if the app isn't available in your country. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Mistplay tips, app guides, and troubleshooting videos.